What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you this adjustable highway peg mount kit. Whether you're short or tall, this mount kit is perfect for you. It can be set for shorter riders or reversed to reach further forward for those with longer legs. The 2.5-inch angle design allows the arm to reach back and around to clear the lower fairing and can be raised or lowered into many positions for a custom fit. The mounting clamp firmly grips the engine guard and the locking design secures the peg at your preferred angle. This kit includes all required mounting hardware. Please note that the foot pegs are sold separately. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.